If the eyes are not taken care of, the vision can become very weak and eventually lead to blurred vision. However, there are many causes of blurred vision. Experts say that carrots should be eaten to sharpen eyesight because it contains all the nutrients that are beneficial for the eyes, which protects the eyes from damage. Harvard, TH, according to the Chan School, the Institute of Medicine reports that daily vitamin A is good for the eyes. A male 19 years of age and older needs 900 mg, 3000 IU. Daily, and a female needs 700 mg, 2333 IU of vitamin A per day. According to the Newsday, 100 grams of raw carrots contain 16,700 grams of raw carrots contain 16,700 IU of vitamin A. So, even eating 50 grams of carrots a day can provide you with the vitamin A you need for healthy eyes. However, apart from these vitamins, carrots contain many other elements that are beneficial for the eyes. Carrots contain beta-carotene, alpha-carotene, lutein, and zeaxanthin. It protects eyesight from weakening with age.